Welcome back students to our online GK class. Today's topic is COVID-19 shock the world, page number 20. The COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 is defined as an illness caused by a novel coronavirus called severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, that is SARS-CoV-2. It was first identified as an outbreak of respiratory illness caused in Wuhan city, Hubei province, China. On January 30, 2020, the WHO declared the COVID-19 outbreak as a global health emergency, and on March 11, 2020, the WHO declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic. So what is the coronavirus? Belonging to a family of viruses, coronavirus can cause illness such as common cold, severe acute respiratory syndromes, SARS. In 2019, a new coronavirus was identified as the cause of the disease outbreak that originated in China. The virus is known as the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The disease is called coronavirus disease 2019. What are the symptoms of this disease? The most common signs and symptoms of coronavirus disease 2019 usually appears to 2 to 14 days after exposure. Common signs of the symptoms include fever, cough and headache. Early symptoms of COVID-19 may include a loss of taste of smell and other symptoms like runny nose, tiredness, chest pain, nausea, sore throat, muscle acne, etc. Lots of things are there depending on human to human. However, these symptoms are not inclusive. The severity of COVID-19 symptoms can range from very mild to severe. The virus can spread from an infected person's mouth or nose in small liquid particles when they cough, sneeze, speak or breathe. To prevent the spread of this disease, one should follow proper respiratory protection, coughing into a flexed elbow and staying home or self-isolation until one recovers if one feels unwell. How to prevent the spread of COVID-19 disease? That is, the best way to prevent transmission of COVID-19 disease is to be well informed about the disease and how the virus spreads. So the practice social distancing by staying at least 1 meter apart, wearing a proper fitted mask covering your nose and mouth, wash your hands regularly, use alcohol-based sanitizer, get vaccinated against the disease. That is the most important things, and to follow the local guidelines. To the second page, that is page number 21, COVID-19 vaccine, the underdose. With the spreading of COVID-19 pandemic, it became a medical urgency to develop a vaccination to control the spread of the virus. Scientists work hard to develop the COVID-19 vaccines very quickly. Each COVID-19 vaccine causes the immune system to create antibodies to fight against COVID-19 virus. The virus that causes COVID-19 called SARS-CoV-2 has spikes of protein on each viral particles. These spike proteins allow the virus to attach the cells and cause the disease. The vaccine protects the body in two ways. It recognizes these spike proteins as a threat to the immune system. It fights against the coronavirus that has these proteins. The COVID-19 vaccine trains your immune system to recognize and clear out the virus before it makes you seriously ill. The body's immune system builds the protection over time. A vaccinated person is fully protected 7 to 14 days after the second dose. So the COVID-19 vaccination in India started its COVID-19 vaccination program from 16 January 2021. Two of the most popular COVID-19 vaccines in India are Covaxin and Covishield. Covaxin is India's indigenous vaccine developed by VIIIB Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, and National Institute of Virology, NIV. The Covishield vaccine is the same formulation as the Oxford or AstraZeneca and is manufactured in India by the Serum Institute of India. So, what are the facts and myths about the COVID-19 vaccine? Lots of misconception or misinformation about the COVID-19 vaccine is circulating throughout the world. We help you to bust some of the common myths related to the COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 vaccines can give you COVID disease. This is totally false because the vaccine is formulated to contain only a piece of the virus. It either instructs our body to make the spike protein or it contains the spike protein itself. The spike protein is the breeding ground of the virus from where the infection starts. The body then starts making antibodies to the spike protein that protects us against COVID-19 when exposed to the virus. As the vaccine does not contain the complete virus, therefore it is not possible to get infected by getting vaccination. COVID-19 vaccines contain human cells. False. None of the COVID-19 vaccine contains human cells. Everyone who receives COVID-19 vaccines has serious side effects. No, most of the people no side effects at all. While some people have mild side effects like fever or a day or two short throat, headache, fatigue, the side effects usually start 1 or 2 days after vaccination and last for just a day or two. Children need to get vaccination against COVID-19. True, when a COVID vaccine is authorized for children, then children falling in the eligible age group need to be vaccinated. The vaccine is important for the health and safety for the children.